Hey everyone, it's Chris with Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta, and today I've got a very, very nice 1967 Chevrolet C10 for you. As you can see, it's done in a beautiful blue metallic paint. This was a frame-off restoration, guys, so completely nut and bolt, tore all the way down, everything repainted, everything replaced. This thing is brand new. It's got a 6-liter LS motor underneath the hood. It's got a 4L80 transmission and a 12-bolt rear end. It's got CPP suspension on it with coilovers on all 4 corners. It's got upgraded 6-piston CPP brakes on all 4 corners as well. This is one bad to the bone truck, but we'll start up front up here. As you can see, the grille is all really nice. You know, the 67s, you got the paint match grille here versus the 68s where they painted them white. You've got the blue Chevy bow tie up front as well, brand new chrome bumpers. You've got this steel cowl hood that fits fantastic. It's about a 2-inch cowl there. It looks really, really nice. All the fitment around the hood and the upper cowl here looks really nice. All the gaps are nice and even. As we work to the side of the truck, the fender here is in excellent condition. I'm not seeing any imperfections, just a little bit of dirt there on the fender. The wheels are Corsart 22-inch kingpin wheels. They look fantastic on this truck. I love these wheels. This is a newer wheel company that has came out in the last couple of years, and they make some really nice ones. As we look at the door here, door's in excellent condition. You've got some sport mirrors here that look really good. Lets you know that this is a RESTOMOD truck. Your chrome door handle looks really nice. Let's check out the gap here, nice and even all the way down. Fits flush with the fender, which is what you're looking for. Look at the roof here. The roof is in excellent condition. That blue metallic paint, guys, just makes this thing pop, and it looks really, really nice. I like taking a look at the drip rails here. Nice and smooth all the way through. I'm not seeing any cracks or busted paint. Looks really, really nice. We'll look at the door gap here. Nice and even all the way down, just like we like it. I like to open up the doors to show that they open good and shut good. No issues with that. Look at the back side of the cab here. You got that big back window that looks really good, all brand new weather stripping and everything around the glass, and it is tinted and it looks really good. We'll look at the bedside here. Bedside's in excellent condition. As I look down the side of the truck, it's nice and straight, not wavy, looks really clean. Your stake pockets here have been shaved and smooth, so you don't have the holes there. It just gives it a really clean look on the top of the bed there. I'm not seeing any imperfections here. You've got that 22-inch wheel out back. I forgot to mention the tires on this truck are brand new. They are Toyo tires. You're running 265s up front, and we got 295s in the rear, and they're brand new, guys, less than 30 miles on them. As we work our way around the back side of the truck here, you've got LED tail lights as well as LED headlights up front, which are really nice. Brand new chrome bumper back here. Tailgate has all been shaved and smooth, looks really good. You don't have the Chevy logo on the back of it anymore. Go ahead and drop this tailgate down here. You've got a really nice paint match bed liner here with the oak wood floor. Your gas tank has been moved from the cab to the back of the bed here underneath, and your fill cap is right here on the side. You do have some wider tubs here. That's how we were able to squeeze those big wide tires in the back. So that's really nice as well. But overall, one sweet truck with a really nice look to it. But let's work our way back up front so I can show you what's under the hood. All right, guys, let's check out the LS under the hood here. You've got a 6-liter Gen 4 LS motor underneath here. Nothing too crazy fancy here, but you do have the AC. Firewall's been shaved. You got the power brake booster over there. You've got these custom blacked out hood hinges here. You've got a custom radiator shroud here that looks really, really nice. You got the dimple dies here with the metal grills behind it. Overall, a really clean engine bay that's very, very nice. It definitely leaves someone some room to dress up the engine if they would like, or you could just keep it like this, keep it simple, and just drive this truck like it's meant to be. But overall, very clean under here. You do have an upgraded aluminum radiator to keep everything nice and cool, but overall, just a clean engine bay, simple. It'll keep this truck timeless for years to come, but we really like this one. But let's wrap this up and let's work to the interior. All right, let's check out this beautiful interior, guys. First thing you're gonna notice when you sit in the cars, you're gonna see the classic industry gauges here that look really nice. They all function like they should. You're then gonna also notice this awesome oak style 3-spoke steering wheel, which is really nice. You do have a tilt column. This is an aftermarket column here that's stainless, that looks really clean in the truck. You've got a nice brown leather dash pad here that matches the seats. You've got an upgraded head unit here that is a touchscreen. It's custom fabricated into the dash and done very, very nicely. You do have AC in this truck and hot heat, which is really nice. The gauge bezel here is in really good condition. All the chrome looks nice. The door panels are in really good condition. They're paint matched to the color of the exterior of the truck. Your arm pad and door handle here is in good condition as well. You got brand new tan carpet that's in excellent condition. The floor mats are wrapped in plastic to keep those clean. You've got a custom, or not a custom, you've got a stock style center console here out of a normal C10, which is really nice, and these are getting hard to find in good condition, but overall the interior is really nice. You also got some upgraded 6x9s that are tucked behind the seats here that look really nice and give some great sound quality for your favorite music that you want to listen to, but overall a really nice interior that's going to stay timeless for years to come. But guys, let's get to my favorite part. Let's go take this one for a drive. All right, guys, we had to run up to the gas station, put some gas in this C10, so I've gotten some seat time behind this truck, and so far I'm really impressed with it. Plenty of power, guys, coming from the 6-liter underneath the hood. You've got a 4L80 transmission that helps get the power to the rear end, and the 4L80 transmission, guys, are bulletproof. And with that CPP suspension that's on this truck, this thing drives really nicely. It's not overly stiff, so it's not super harsh on you when you're just driving on normal roads, but yet it's stiff enough that it still handles like a sport truck, so it's really, really nice. You've got the CPP brakes on here as well, which are 6-piston front and rear, so plenty of braking on this truck, no issues with that. The steering wheel feels good in the hand. The seating position's really nice. I'm a tall guy, I'm about 6'1", so my head, if the seating's not right, my head's too high to the ceiling. But overall, the truck shifts and drives very, very nicely. We got some ambulances coming through here, guys. Got me a little distracted. But the exhaust is really nice on the truck too. It's not overly loud, but it's got a good rumble to it. You can hear it really, really well. The truck tracks straight down the road, no problems. I literally can just let my hands off the wheel, still have my hands off the wheel, and this thing's driving straight down the road. Like I mentioned earlier in the video, these are brand new rims and brand new tires on this truck, guys, and it's got a fresh alignment on it. AC blows cold in here. Heat blows hot. You've got a really nice upgraded stereo system in here with an upgraded head unit that's touchscreen, which is really nice. But overall, guys, a fantastic truck. Acceleration is really nice. Like I said, the braking's good. We're going into a hairpin turn here. I got Justin holding on to his oh shit handle over there. All right, guys, got her up to about 70 miles an hour there. This thing really gets down pretty good for a truck. But guys, overall, this thing drives fantastic. Anybody would be happy to get it. This is a truck that you can get out and cruise by yourself, have a good time, or you can put the wife over in the passenger seat and go grab dinner and keep her comfortable with AC, a quiet cab, and just a good driving truck, guys. This thing, you could drive it anywhere. You could drive it across country, whatever you want to do. But if you guys are interested in this truck, give us a call at 770-738-7111. You can ask for Chris, which is me, or my partner Justin, and we can help you with financing, shipping, anything that you need to get this dream truck parked in your driveway. All right, guys, as you can see, we have the C10 back here at the dealership up on the lift, and as you can see, it's very clean underneath here. This was a frame-off restoration, so everything was redone and done very nicely underneath here. We'll start off up front here. You got that CPP suspension, so it gives you that sway bar up front there, which really keeps the truck planted. You've got tubular upper and lower A-arms and coilovers here, which are really nice. You got the upgraded CPP 6-piston disc brakes up front as well with the drilled and slotted rotors. Your cross members in really good condition. Your oil pan and transmission pan are nice and dry, no leaks or anything like that up here. Your frame's done in a nice black, which looks really clean, keeps everything easy to maintain under here and doesn't show dirt. Your floor pans are all in really good condition. They're covered in like a rhino lining, bed liner type material, which is really nice, guys, because a lot of times these show trucks that are all painted super slick under here, you're constantly worried that a rock's gonna bounce up and hit it, chip the paint, and then it just looks terrible. This is gonna be really durable and last for years to come. Justin, pan over here and show them. There's no issues with your cab corners here. This is typically where they'll rust, guys, because water gets in here, but these are all in really good condition. No issues with rust underneath here. Very, very clean. You've got the CPP trailing arms here, which are really nice. You got true dual exhaust from the manifolds all the way back to these Borla mufflers, which sound really nice. Like I mentioned earlier during the drive, they're not overly loud, but still give you some really good sound coming from the V8 up front there. Nice drive shaft, everything looks good there, nice and tight. You got a 12-bolt rear end here as well. You got a nice stainless gas tank that is super clean, looks brand new, and you have the drilled and slotted rotors and 6-piston disc brakes from CPP in the rear here. Guys, if you're interested in this amazing truck, do not hesitate to reach out to us. We do not see it lasting long. This is a really, really nice truck and would look good in your garage. If you guys are interested in this truck, give us a call at 770-738-7111. If you'd like to see more details on this truck and more pictures, you can go to our website at collectiblemotor.com. Click on inventory, scroll down until you see this beautiful C10. But guys, we're gonna wrap up this video. It was a pleasure showing this truck to you guys, but we'll catch you on the next one.